Altair OptiStruct is a powerful analysis and optimization tool. OptiStruct enables designers to easily lightweight their designs. In this video, I'm going to review the new 5-axis constraint for topology optimization. Our first step is to open Altair Inspire and begin setting up our scenario. Note, we can also implement topology optimization in both SimLab and HyperMesh. In our case, I'm going to first apply a force on the circular holes, which will simulate the steel bracket rocking back and forth. OptiStruct supports numerous force types and applications. I'm going to apply a 2.5 kN force in the X and Y directions. With our force now applied, we can apply the restraint for our bracket. Our bracket will be restrained on the internal pin, which is connected to our bracket. We can apply a fixture that only restrains motion normal to the face, but allows movement in the other lateral directions. Note, like forces, OptiStruct supports numerous types of restraints and advanced contacts for simulation. With our force and restraints applied, we can now apply the design space where we can remove mass. OptiStruct allows for multiple design spaces, but in our case we will just select our internal bracket as the design space. OptiStruct has numerous manufacturing controls ranging from added controls like overhang to the newly added 5-axis mill constraint. The 5-axis constraint allows us to either specify an axis angle of our tool or to specify the drill bit parameters such as tool radius and tool length. In our case, we will utilize the axis angle setting. With our model set, we can run our simulation. After our simulation completes, Inspire gives us the option to easily create a NURBS geometry. This geometry can be edited in Inspire, but it can also be exported as a geometry file to edit in an external CAD tool. We can see our bracket now has significantly less mass while still being a shape that can be easily manufactured. With the power of OptiStruct's new 5-axis constraint, we were able to run a topology optimization to create a part that meets our design and manufacturing objectives. To learn more about Altair OptiStruct or other Altair tools, go to www.trueinsight.io.